banana stem factory, where innovation meets sustainability. For centuries, the banana has been a staple on tables around the world. But once the fruit is harvested, what happens to the rest of the plant? The towering stem, often seen as agricultural waste, is about to begin an incredible transformation. Welcome to the cutting edge of sustainability, inside a high-tech banana stem factory. innovation is woven into every process. What was once discarded is now carefully sorted, cleaned, and prepared. Using precision hydropulping technology, the fiber stem is broken down, separating the valuable long strands from the pulp. This isn't just recycling, it's re-engineering nature's design. Through a proprietary, water-efficient system, these natural fibers are transformed. They become yarn as soft as silk, paper of remarkable texture, or biodegradable non-woven fabric. The applications are revolutionary, from high-fashion textiles and durable composites to organic packaging and even sustainable sanitary products. Every step is monitored by AI-driven systems that optimize for quality and minimize environmental impact, ensuring zero waste. And the innovation goes further. The residual gel becomes a natural plant nutrient. The pulp is formed into biodegradable food containers. In this closed-loop system, nothing is wasted. It's a full-circle solution, turning what was once burned or left to rot into a portfolio of green materials. This is more than a factory. It's a glimpse into a future where agriculture and industry exist in harmony, where technology unlocks the hidden potential in nature's own designs. From a single harvest, two bounties emerge, proving that with ingenuity, even the most humble materials can lead to extraordinary change. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow for our next post.